at some solid, liquid, and gas molecules. Plus, we're even going to be looking at some oobleck. So let's get into it. This is a solid, liquid, and gas. And this is also solid. This being a liquid. If of course the blue dots were molecules. And this being gas. Just like when you take ice out of the refrigerator, all the molecules are stuck together. Then it melts and the molecules become further apart. And finally, you just have gas, which all the molecules are very separated. Is a liquid inside the squishy or a solid? Well, a liquid, because it's flexible. Oobleck inside the balloon. And it can also act as a solid. Yeah, there we go. Solid. Meaning oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluid. So, gas molecules, hang on. Meaning oobleck is a non-Newtonian fluids. Hope I got that correct. So, oobleck acts as a solid when you punch it or use something very hard. No, never mind, don't do that one. Oobleck will act as a solid if you... wow, the video ended. But also, be sure you leave a sub at Cooking with Cassy, who helped me film this video.